Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So this is literally the first video that I have said anything instead of me doing a voice note, but hey. Anyway, today I am doing an all Revolution makeup look. It's not a sponsored video, I just love Revolution, so yeah. So I'm using a lot of their products in this video. Don't worry, all of the products that I'm going to use is going to be in the description box below. So let's get this video going. Obviously, I look crazy. I know you guys can probably be like, what is this girl? What is, like, you're probably thinking like, what is this? Like, what is this? But whatever, man. Anyway, so let's start. You could be thinking like, why is she wearing a blue do-rag? Well, oops, sorry. You could be thinking like, why am I wearing a blue do-rag? I don't know. I have different colors and I'm wearing a pink onesie because it's chill day. It's Wednesday, man. It's a chill day. But anyway, so let's start. So I'm gonna start now. So I'm gonna do my eyebrows off camera and then I'll see you guys in a few bits. So now I've done my eyebrows and I'm gonna go in doing my eyeshadow. So I'm gonna move you guys closer so you guys can see the full action of what I'm gonna do with my eyes today. So this is what I'm using today. And this is so now I'm gonna start with this. It's really red, but I'm just gonna dab it first. Just gonna keep dabbing, just, you know, then I'll make my way. Just keep dabbing it. So before I'm gonna blend, I'm just gonna keep dabbing it into the outer layer of my eyebrows, my eyelid, and then I'm gonna blend it. back with the eyeliner just to draw it out a bit. Anyway, so now I'm gonna go in with my Revolution Concealer Define Full Coverage in F14. You can tell by the way it looks, but in the mirror it doesn't look bad, but on camera it looks really weird. But don't worry, it's gonna take time for everything to actually settle. So now I'm gonna go in with my concealer. So we've got the Revolution Concealer in C12.5. We also have another concealer in C15 for my contour. It's not that dark, but I'm not trying to go for a really dark contour anyway. But yeah, that was my blending. Then I'm gonna go with my LA Pro Girl concealer in shade Toffee for my under eye.